Hello everyone, welcome back to Asha Academy. Today again, let me take you through literature part, CBSE class 12, Roman number 8. Read the given extract to attempt questions that follow. Here, an extract has been given, followed by 5 questions here. The presidents of the New York Central and the New York, New Haven and Hartford railroads will swear on a stack of timetables that there are only 2. But I say there are 3 because I have been on the 3rd level of the Grand Central Station. Yes, I have taken the obvious step. I talked to a psychiatrist friend of mine, among others. I told him about the 3rd level at Grand Central Station, and he said it was a waking dream wish fulfillment. He said I was unhappy. That made my wife kind of mad, but he explained that he meant the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and all the rest of it, and that I just want to escape. Well, who doesn't? Everybody I know wants to escape, but they don't want down into any 3rd level at Grand Central Station. Okay, now the question. Question number 46. What was the bone of contention in this given passage? So, what they were discussing and where they don't agree upon. He asserts that there are 2 levels at the Grand Central Station. He claims that there are 3 levels at the Grand Central Station. He asserts that the world is full of insecurity. Difference of opinion between the presidents. So these are all the 4 options that have been given here. You need to select the right answer. Now, question number 47. What is the waking dream wish fulfillment? A pleasant wish that makes you forget about the future? In our reality, we may see something that is not there, but it is what we wish to see and want to happen. In our fantasy, we may see something that is not there, but it is what we wish to see and want to happen. Both A and C, which is the right answer. You need to select it. And now the next question, question number 48. Who was annoyed of psychiatrist explanation? Charlie or Sam, Louisa, or the presidents? So out of this lot, you need to select the right answer. Now let's move on to question number 49. What is the phrase Grand Central Station referred to? Police station, world famous landmark and transportation hub in Midtown Manhattan. Railway terminal, world famous landmark and transportation hub in Midtown Manhattan. New York Avenue, world famous landmark and transportation hub in Midtown Manhattan. Vanderbilt Avenue, world famous landmark and transportation hub in Midtown Manhattan. So, which is the right answer, children? Now, pick out the odd statement. I talked to a psychiatrist friend of mine. He said it wasn't a waking dream wish fulfillment. The modern world is full of insecurity, fear, and war because I have been on the 3rd level of the Grand Central Station. So it's your time to work on all these questions and get to know about the answers. Please do comment here in this comment box. Let's see who gets the correct answer. Thank you for listening me patiently and here. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.